What's up, everyone? Flame Mossy here again, but this time we're going to be opening sleeved battle style. We have 8 of these packs, and we also have 2 of these 3 packs. So, as promised, I'm going to do lots and lots of more Pokemon openings, probably once a month or one every 2 weeks, probably. Or maybe I'll continue the one where I do upload one every week. But I don't know, I'm not too sure. You get this from the I forgot what these are called. I forgot what these type of packs are. You get this kind of bended battle styles code for you guys, the cool people. Right now I'm just gonna open them up. Also, this is a pin they gave you. I don't know if this is a pin or coin, Pokemon coin. Not too sure. But yeah. Let's get right into it, huh? So I'm just gonna open these up really quick so it's easier that way. Probably should have done that before I started recording, but you know, I want you guys to see everything so it doesn't make like I'm phony or anything of this sort of matter. Another one of this. Code for you guys. Pin, coin, whatever you call those. So we got 6 of these regular packs. I know I'm a bit late in the YouTube trend. I know I'm a bit late. I might do some live streams. I really am debating about doing live streams for the 36 Shining Fates. For my Shining Fates booster boxes I have. Shining Fates doesn't really have booster boxes. They only have like, what's it called? Only the trainer boxes and the VMAX, like the special VMAX promos. And stuff like that. Got an energy. Move the cards over here. Got an energy, Call, Dottler, Pignite, Cubone, Pawniard, Hondor, Shinx, Gilgar, Cactrine. Ooh, a nice shiny V. See, this photo is nice. It's a Stoutland. I'm gonna sleeve this. Looks pretty nice. Put that right there. So not bad for our first pack. Not bad. Not bad. I read it somewhere that like when it comes to individual packs like these, because like not an everyday Pokemon fan would like get this. They get like always the booster boxes. So what Pokemon would do is, or Nintendo would do, or whoever makes the Pokemon stuff, will give you like some of the good cards in this. Like, oh look, I got like this nice card. Maybe I could get more. That's my luck with the booster box or something. Hunkscrow, Seadra, Weeping Bell, Mawile, Spoink, Mr. Meme. I'm calling him Mr. Meme from now on. Scatterbug, Yamper, Energy, Colossal, nice hollow, nice reverse hollow. I mean, these look good. I'm not gonna sleeve this. I'm just gonna put this here. If they look cool, I'll sleeve them. If they don't look cool. Let me put the bunk right here. So yeah. I don't know where you guys are living, but there's a lot of heat waves going on, and now it's heavy rain. Now, if you know the struggle. There's a lot of heat waves going on in New York, California, and stuff like that. So yeah. If you guys are Star Wars fans, I'm kind of excited for the new Disney Plus release of Boba Fett and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. Mankey, Tepig, Honedge, Electrobuzz, Blipbug, Electrovir, garbage, all garbage. Yeah, what's it called? There's a lot of like new TV shows nowadays, and like to me, TV never really felt the same anymore. Like, I don't even watch TV anymore. When was the last time you guys ever used like your cable box? I've never used my cable box in a while. And now that I use like TV to play games or watch anime. probably the only thing I do now. Gold for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got energy, Gliscor, Swordward and Shellbird, Fearow, Corfish, Scatterbug, Cubone, Mokro. Did I skip a card there? No, I didn't. Bronzor, Conkeldurr. Okay, garbage. Okay, one good card out of 4 packs. 4 packs. 4? No. 5. That was 4. This one's about to be a flip. I don't know. Pokemon got like a huge popularity, a boost since quarantine ever happened. Now they're releasing new booster boxes. Chilling Reign, I personally like Chilling Reign. Morpeko, Durant, Licton, Hoisey, Mankey, Mawile, Fomantis, Agalish, Bolton. This actually looks like a nice. I want to say this is a dog. It looks like a dog. I'm not too sure. I just open card packs. I don't really like keep up with the new generations and stuff like that. So, help me, please. Help! I can't open this. Why? Why have they forsaken me? Yeah, but once my Chilling Range boost boxes come in, I'm going to be cracked on them. You're gonna see me going through like how multiple live streams with those. No joke. Buffalant, Levelbell, Spua, Salandit, Bellsprout, Mindfu, Yamper, Glameow, Carino's Focus, Salazzle. There's only really one card I want from Battle Styles, and it's the Cheryl. I'm pretty sure Cheryl. It's a Cheryl Full Art, Rainbow Full Art. That's the only one I want from this entire set, believe it or not. Call me stupid, but that's the only thing I want. Is there anything else in here? No, it's not. That was all the 6 regular. Now I'm opening the. I have 8 of these. This is right now the first pack of the sleeved. Yeah. Sleeved ones. Oh no. Code for you guys. I don't really use them. 2, 3, 4. I think I messed that up, but Water Energy. Karina's Focus, Carkol, Morpeko, Mr. Meme, Bellsprout, Onyx, Sparrow, oh my god, Sleezapede, Slazzle, ooh, a nice V, Corviknight, looks pretty cool. I'd rather the Cheryl, but this will do. This will do. Like, if I get Cheryl, my days of opening Battle Styles may end. Like, I don't know. Should I go for a Master Set for Battle Styles? Should I? I'm not sure. I'm not really sure. Maybe I will continue for Master Set. I have so many sets to complete, man. I want to have the what's it called? The Master Set for Shining Fates and Champion's Path and Chilling Reigns. But right now I'm going to Chilling Reigns first since I really recently ordered a lot of stuff from Chilling Reigns. Energy. Tower of Darkness. Karina's Focus. Karina's Focus. Carkol. Slizlipede. That one exploded. Glameow. Slowpoke. Yamper. Mokro. Punchclaw. Slowbro. Garbage. Come on, man. Give me Cheryl. I want Rainbow Cheryl. Why do they have to play hard to get? I never understood why. They want to give me a Charizard. They Give me Cheryl. I don't know, man. Pokemon's rigged. They don't like Mr. Flamosity here. They don't like Mr. Flamosity here. They're like, we don't like that guy. Don't give him anything. He's not a nice person, they say. Energy, X-Share, Carkle, Slowpoke, Yamper, Mukro, Salandit, Bellsprout, Heatmore, Sandaconda. This, I actually hate this. This looks so stupid to me. That looks so... I hate that color with a burning passion. I really do. It's like, it could have been something much more better than that. I don't know why they gave me that. Give it to somebody else. Don't give it to me. Oh shit. Oh crap. Wrong one. Go for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Pignite. Scroll Swirls. Buffalo. Sizzlepede. Baltoy. Timber. Chorpish. Cacnea. Bruno. Galasso. Another same one. Oh my god. I already got him, man. Give me something good. Why don't you give me something good, Pokemon? Why? Do you not like Phineas? Oh my god. Oh no. What is going on here? What looks like I have to do with this one? Watch this be Cheryl. Watch this be the one I get something good. This is so annoying. Energy, Fiobe, Carnivy, Pharaoh, Spoink, Bronzer, T-Pig, Pachirisu, Mindfu, Groompig, Stoutland V. I already got him, but I got him in the previous pack opening, but I'm fine. I'm satisfied. At least it's not a stupid Sandcoon. I'm kind of happy about that. I don't know, I hate that one so much. I really do. I hate it so much. Like, I don't know who's more annoying. Sandacoon or another useless card. I forgot which one was it, but I hate it with a burning passion. 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy, Crawdad, Groompig, Grumpig, whatever the name is. Energicycler, Mawile, Spoink, Mr. Meme, Scatterbug, Jumper, I'm calling him Jumper, Slowbro, Floodland. It's like I'm getting the same cards over and over and over. Come on, man. This is so rigged. Jeez. Oh my god. Here we go. Hoi 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 hoi. Code cards for you. 2, 3, 4. Energy. Seadra. Fan of Waves. Dottler. Onyx. Spearow. Sizzlepede. Shinx. Cacnea. Electrolyte. Garbage. All garbage. Kinda disappointed here. Really am. I never disappointed. Code for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Fan of Waves. Dottler. Doublade. Esperf. Shinx. Blipbug. Poniard. Mankey. Cacnea. Oh, this is not bad. I got him last time as well, but it's not bad. Oh, a full art. Okay. Okay. Listen. Give me a break, okay? Give me a break. I'm gonna open 3 more packs and then call it from there. 3 more of these, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Well, I'll continue opening more of these Battle Styles. Because I know people don't like watching long Pokemon vids, so I'll make it easier for you guys. Because my voice is not relieving, it makes you like really tired. So like I try to make these as like peace and calming, stuff like that. But who knows, you could have had a bad day or something. You just want to have like a peaceful, calming, I don't know, card opening video, or just hearing a peace, calming voice. And here you go. You have Mr. Flamosity. Okay. Mustard. Cheryl, I want the rainbow version of you. Give me rainbow. Heatmore. Philish. Blipbug. Woolly Chimico. Onyx. Luxray. Phalanx. I hate you so much. I really do hate you. I hate you. The Pokemon gods have devastated me. They have said no more good Pokemon cards. You don't get Cheryl, you get nobody. You get no full art. You get no good full art. You get no rainbows. I've yet to pull a rainbow card from this set. That's how bad this is. Energy, Double Blade, Big Knight, Scroll Swirl, Spawniard, Timber, Burpick, Glamio, Silicobra, Spua. Oh my god. This is so bad. So horrible. I've yet to pull a rainbow, anything from this set, from this series. I'm kind of disappointed. I really am. This makes me not want to open Pokemon cards. It makes me just want to go do something else with life. One, two, three, four. Fire Energy, Punk Scroll, Heatmore, whatever your name is, Herolical, Chemical, Glameow, Sizzlipede, Onyx, Blipbug. Oh my god. It's like I want to torture myself every time I would do Pokemon opening. Every single time. Every single time I do Pokemon opening, I'm always let down. I know I said I'll do last 3, but I'm gonna do a couple more. I cannot end up on a bad note. I really cannot. I've never been so annoyed in my entire lifetime. Well, I wouldn't be so annoyed, but so disappointed. Or so out of luck. Because this garbage openings I'm having right now. Horrible. It's just downright unfortunate. Energy, Dorant, Mustard, Cheryl, Shinx, Cacnea, Pawniard, Timber, T-Pick, Snarl. Okay, not bad. It's not a rainbow, but it's not bad. It's not a rainbow full art, but not bad. I'll take it. It's better than the garbage rares I get. Please put it in the chat. I am really sad right now. I got no rainbow from this set at all. Energy, Hackro, Bruxis, Carnivine. It was a useless card anyways, but Silicobra, Houndour, Lickfung, whatever, I don't care. Horsia, Mankey, Angelash, Slowbro. Oh my god. My luck is down in the drain and it will never go up. Like, it's just steadily trending down. It's just off trend. I hate this so much. But anyways, how are you guys doing? Like, you know, how are you guys doing? I'm pretty sure you guys are doing alright. You guys are doing okay. Seem to be doing fine. Call card for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Soron Shieldbird, Bisharp, Cobalt, Mawile, Fomantics, Remiard, Sphero, Pikachurusu, Timber, Mr. Meme. Oh my god. Another dead pack. Dead packs after dead packs after dead packs. When will this stop? I will not stop opening cards until I get something good. Oh my days. I should probably stop now, but I can't. You know why I can't? Because I can't. I physically can't. Mentally, I cannot. This is just so irritating. 2, 3, 4. I can't leave on a bad note. Bisharp, Weeping Bell, Fiobe, Glameow, Silicobra, Fiddlish, Hondor, Scatterbug, Dartler. Oh my god, Santa Scorch. Please, can I get a rip in the chat? I need a rip in the chat. Rip Flamosity, I need help. Bad. Down bad. I can't recover. 2, 3, 4. Energy. Morpeko, Durant, Mustard, Scott Silent, Bellsprout, Mindfu, Yamper, Glameow, Vivillon. Oh, this looks bad. This is not bad. I mean, this doesn't look bad. I'm kind of happy. Sort of. Could have been worse. It could have been another stupid Center Scorch or whatever his name was. The amount of junk in these cards, this set. It's just so annoying, man. Yeah, but my Pokemon struggles. How are you guys doing? Like, I don't know what else to say other than me ranting about my garbage pulls. I don't know what's going on here. Cherubi, Lickitung, Electabuzz, Esper, Mawile, Coconut. Oh, I already got this, man. I'm not saving this. This can go. This could go there. I don't care. It was only supposed to be 12 packs, but I'm pretty sure I went over that, so. I don't know. I don't know what to say here. Here you go. 2, 3, 4. Energy. Okay. I'm just gonna do this. Got nothing good anyways. All trash. All trash. Skull of the Earth. This is gonna be my last pack, and I'm gonna finish up this set in the next video. So in the next video, you're gonna see me continue opening these and suffering. If you guys enjoy my suffering, leave a like, comment what you like about my suffering if you do, and let me know if you enjoy it. And let me know what else sets you guys want me to open. Because I want to get into Darkness Ablaze, but I'm not too sure if you guys will like it. 2, 3, 4. Energy Recycler, Earn of Vitality, I mean. Gurdor, Cherubi, Mindfu, Silicobra, Mr. Meme, Bellsprout, Tool Jammer. Oh, I dropped it, but it was reverse hollow. Steelix. I'll leave it as that. I'll leave it as that. But anyways, if you like the content here, if you like the video, leave a thumbs up here, folks. Thumbs up. Subscribe and share. It will help the channel grow, and you'll see me opening more and more Pokemons. These here are the one I pulled. It's all bad except for this one. I personally think this one was probably the greatest pull of the day because it looks the coolest. But other than that, appreciate you taking your time to watch this video, and I'll catch you guys later. Goodbye.